Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elyada, and today we're focusing on achieving rapid weight loss by reducing and eliminating excess sugar from your life. This session will help you lose the desire for sugar and sweet foods, naturally guiding you toward a healthier, leaner version of yourself. Close your eyes now. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body begin to soften, your shoulders relax, and your mind quiet. Now imagine a square appearing before you, perhaps on a chalkboard, whiteboard, or an imaginary screen. Let it morph into a triangle with the angles and directions you choose. Go deeper relaxed. Next, watch as the triangle transforms into a circle. Even more relaxed. Let that circle expand, and within it, place a square. Now, imagine a triangle within the square. Right in the center, place any shape you want. Go deeper and deeper relaxed, further still. As I count from 1 to 3, watch these shapes disappear completely, leaving a blank canvas. 1, 2, 3, all shapes are gone. And you are left with a clean slate. Whatever color it is, it's your imagination. This blank space now becomes a tunnel. Pulling you gently through it. Fly in. Feel it. You're streaming forward. Deeper and deeper. Relaxing more, mind becoming still. Until you emerge in tranquil nature. Here we go. You have landed. Hear the soothing sounds of birds, the rustling of leaves, and feel the soft grass beneath you. Fresh air, nothing to think about. Pure tranquility. Relax deeply, letting this tranquility flow through your body as you prepare to absorb suggestions for a healthier, more vibrant you. Now, imagine a sugar cube floating in front of you, perhaps large. It represents all the sweets, desserts, white bread, processed foods, and even alcohol, anything that has sugar or is made into excess sugar in your body. It begins to dissolve, slowly dissolving into ether until it's gone. Gone from your mind, your body, and experience. It's gone. Sugar is harmful, you know it. You know it consciously. Let's ingrain it deeper, subconsciously. You have no need or desire for sugar. It creates energy spikes and crashes, impacts the mood, and leads to unhealthy weight gain, cardiovascular issues, and other health problems. Some even call sugar a poison when overconsumed. Cutting back or eliminating added sugar transforms your health, energy, and body, supporting your heart, focus, and overall well-being. You've made up your mind. Sugar is no longer part of your life. You push it away naturally and even at times forcefully, feeling better, healthier, and prouder of yourself with every choice. Every time you see sugary foods, cookies, candy, cakes, or processed snacks, you feel no desire for them. Instead, you remember how sticky and unpleasant sugar feels in your mouth. You think of the bloating, sluggishness, and heaviness it brings. Your body and mind naturally reject sugar. You reject sugar. You have lost the need and desire for it. Visualize yourself at a table filled with sugary treats. You look at them, but they no longer call to you. Now, you turn to a table filled with fresh, colorful, healthy foods. Crisp vegetables, fruits, nourishing proteins, and vibrant salads. You feel drawn to these foods, knowing they nurture your body and align with your weight loss and health goals. As you reduce sugar, imagine your body changing, becoming lighter, leaner, and healthier. Imagine looking into the mirror and seeing the changes. Your cravings fade away, replaced by a desire for clean, wholesome meals. Picture yourself reading labels at the store when shopping, more carefully, noticing hidden sugars like fructose, sucrose, or any ingredient ending in OSE. You are empowered to make smart, mindful, and intelligent choices. Sugar no longer has a place in your life, and you feel liberated from its grip. You are now in control, not the hidden added sugar or seductive sweets and desserts. You really, I repeat, really enjoy this level of confidence, wakefulness, and discipline. It comes naturally to you, and the benefits supersede your expectations. Let's anchor these changes with 4 affirmations. Repeat them silently or out loud. I have released the need and desire for sugar. I choose healthy, nourishing foods for my well-being. I firmly stay away from excess sugar and sweets. I am empowered to say no to sugar. Feel these affirmations becoming a natural part of your mindset and daily habits. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to embrace your new, healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today. This is Elyada with HypnoCloud.